Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Turning a TikTok video into a live wallpaper for Wallpaper is a fun way to personalize your phone. While TikTok doesn't offer a Set as Wallpaper button directly, you can easily do it using TikTok's live photo feature and your phone's native settings. Here's the step, let's get started. For iPhone users, first open the TikTok app on your iPhone. Then find the video you want to use as a wallpaper. Tap the share icon arrow on the right side of the video. Select Live Photo from the Share menu. This will convert the video into a live photo and save it to your iPhone Photos app. After the video is saved as live wallpaper, now open the Photos app on your iPhone. Go to the Live Photos album and select the saved TikTok live photo. Tap the share icon in the bottom left. Scroll down and tap Use as Wallpaper. Make sure Live Photos is turned on at the bottom of the screen. Tap Set and tap Set Lock Screen. iPhones only allow live photos to animate on the lock screen, not on the home screen. And now you can see the result on the lock screen. For Android users, first, open the TikTok app on your phone. Then find the video you want to use as a wallpaper. Tap the share icon arrow on the right side of the video. And tap Set as Wallpaper. Then tap Set as Wallpaper again. And tap Set Wallpaper. Choose whether you want it for the home screen or lock screen, depending on your device. Confirm and apply. And that's it, my home screen used live wallpaper from video to... But, you should know, if some Android devices may not support animated lock screen wallpapers without third-party apps. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.